In this lecture of chemical kinetics, today we will see how to find the order of reaction from rate constant. Here it is rate constant. Problem is very simple. The rate constant for a certain reaction is 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 mole to the power minus 1 liter to the power 1 second to the power minus 1. Then order of reaction is option number 1 0 order, second first order, option number third that is second order, and fourth one is third order. So what is given here? A rate constant is given, that is 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 mole to the power minus 1 liter to the power 1 and second to the power minus 1. So concentrate on this unit. Here unit is mole inverse, liter to the power 1 and second inverse. So focus on this rate constant unit. From this we can find out order of reaction. We are well familiar how to find out unit of rate constant in case of zero order, first order, by using this formula K equal to moles per liter to the power 1 minus n into time inverse. यहाँ पे time second है, so directly I will take second inverse, where n is equal to order of reaction, that is n equal to 0, first, second, third, etc. Put n equal to 0. This is for what? Zero order reaction. So unit will be what? K equal to, now mole, liter we can take in numerator, that is it will be minus 1. 1 minus, यहाँ पे n 0 है, second inverse. So unit will be mole to the power 1 liter to the power minus 1 into plus 1 minus 1 and second inverse. So here in case of zero order reaction, what is unit? Mole to the power 1 liter to the power minus 1 and second to the power minus 1. But in this problem, what is the unit of rate constant? Mole to the power minus 1 liter to the power 1 and second to the power minus 1. Yani this is not example of what? Zero order reaction. Now I will go for n is equal to 1. This is for a first order reaction. So K equal to mole to the power 1 liter to the power minus 1. Now here 1 minus n, यहाँ पे n is equal to 1 है, यानी 1 minus 1 will be 0 into second inverse. A whole term raised to 0 and anything raised to 0 and 1, yani here K is equal to second inverse. So what is the unit of rate constant in case of first order reaction? It is second inverse. Yani given problem is not example of first order reaction. Now I will go for n is equal to 2, yani second order reaction. So K is equal to mole to the power 1 liter to the power minus 1, 1 minus n, yani 1 minus 2 second to the power minus 1. So mole to the power 1 liter to the power minus 1 to the power minus 1 second to the power minus 1. So here mole to the power 1 and whole power is minus 1. So 1 into minus 1, it will be minus 1. Yani mole to the power minus 1 liter, यहाँ पे minus 1 है, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 and second to the power minus 1. This is the unit of rate constant in case of what? Zero order reaction. You can compare this unit with in our problem. What is unit of rate constant in given problem? It is mole to the power minus 1. It is mole to the power minus 1, liter to the power 1, and second to the power minus 1. Here exactly same, mole to the power minus 1, liter to the power 1, and second to the power minus 1. And definitely given problem is an example of what? Second order reaction. So by using unit of rate constant we can calculate. So answer is second order reaction. Yani third option. Isn't it? If you any doubt, put it in comment box. Definitely I will back to you. Thank you.